Okay, kat
Melayu ke?
Okay, we're going here. We're gonna buy some snacks before we will be on the train later. Oh, banyaknya. Okay, I'm taking this one and my sister will take this one.
It's alright.
May kopi lah kat ini. Okay, so here's our curry pop. It's like curry pop. And we're here. We're gonna prep our coffee.
Bayar.
Okay, so I'm having caramel latte and my sister is having hot chocolate. Okay, so we're on our way to a train, so that will be our train. It's like macam BTS. So platform is number 2. Yeah. Okay, so muffin. Guess what? I should have brought kepala plug charger instead of just bring my charger with power bank with no kepala. Wih, pressure tinggal. Wih, rasa pressure tinggal. Caramel latte and we have the creamer. Look at the foam, look guys. It looks yummy. This is blueberry muffin. My sister bought 2. One is chocolate, one is blueberry. And then we also have the large size. This is cheese and onion. And I was getting in this small size. And ada lagi jahit. Yeah. We're stopping here at York. Okay, we're here now. Eagles Cliff. Chocolate cake.
Take the bus even though it's like 20-minute walk.
Oh really? Hello. So we're done just now. We are done eating cake and stuff like that, and now we're heading to the, what is it called? It's the upper town's name. It's like Billingham, something like that. Let's explore the new castle. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so cantik kan? These are the neighborhood in Newcastle, obviously. Change of plans. We just decided just to walk. Take accent. Ooh, baby, it's on my head. Ooh, this is like primary school over here. What is the smell? The smell is really bad here. So this is the town, I guess. Yeah, this is the town. Basically, it's okay je. It doesn't have lots of stores, but it's fine for the people who lives here. The smell is just not it. Okay, bau dia, it's not it. The bau baju, you know baju. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're just gonna cuci mata. Okay, so dekat sini dia banyak supermarket. Instead of you wanna macam jalan-jalan, this is just not the place. Kalau nak beli barang, barang macam groceries ke, banyak dekat sini. Bersepah, memang banyak gila. Sepanjang korang jalan tadi macam banyak gila market kat sini. 50 plus. My god. I'm gonna buy this too. It ends with us, and this one is all your perfects. Secured mine. I'm gonna check out another store. Okay, so this is the store that I just went just now. Okay, we're going back. She got the necklaces that she wanted, and I got the novels that I wanted. Okay, one thing that I'm kind of amazed with London is that in UK is that all the shops will be closed early. Not like macam Malaysia tutup pukul 10 like semua kedai kan. Macam ni, contoh I wanted to go to that store but it's already closed. It's kind of sad. It's similar to the store that I went just now. Okay, that's...
And there's nobody as well.
Yeah. Tingnan to, the skateboard. So this is the park. It's very pretty and very beautiful. Very
I was gonna bring my skateboard, but then I was like, I already got my backpack. I should have brought my skateboard.
I'm gonna tweak. What's his name again? Che. Che? Che? Hi, Che. Oh, he looks so cute.
Is that
he's
he or
orange.
she?
He's very.
It's
of course,
a
he's very
he.
very
He.
He's
He's
I
so
can see he's a he.
soft.
He's very
Yeah, he's a bit
very
big.
cut. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, he's still not annoyed though.
Mau manja, mau
You
manja.
know, he will never take his cloth.
Look at Alia.
Oh.
Look at the boat, so cute.
Okay, we're going back. We saw the train. Okay, we are transiting here at Darlington. I'm gonna buy a bit of water because I'm thirsty.